Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on Adobe Express, which is one of my personal favorite web page making apps because I think it's really easy to use. So if you want to use Adobe Express, just go ahead and type it into your search bar. You should see something like this pop up. You're going to go ahead and click that. And you should see a page that looks something like this. Now you can get a upgraded version of this through Temple if you have Adobe Creative Cloud, which is something you would sign up for through TU Portal. It's a big process, but it allows you to get all the apps that are in the Adobe Creative Cloud suite, everything from Photoshop to all the editing software that they have. It's a really big suite, but you don't need it at all for this. So for our class, you really just need the free version. So you would click Get Adobe Express Free, and that will take you to a login page. You can log in any way you want, unless you have the Creative Cloud suite. Do not sign in this way. Go ahead and sign in with any one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with a Google account. And when you do that, it might ask you a few questions, but otherwise it'll log you in and you'll get to a page like this. There's kind of a lot of things on this page. If you scroll down, it might even be a little bit overwhelming, but you really don't need to worry about any of that for this class. All you're going to do is come on over here to the left and this lovely purplish, pinkish, bluish plus sign. Click on that. Under most popular, you're going to scroll down to where it says web page. And this is where the magic happens. So you would use this for your project. It's going to prompt you what to do. So the title would be the title of your project. The subtitle would probably be your name. And then after you put those things in, you click this little plus sign down here at the bottom. It's going to first want you to add a photo, and this is going to be the background for your header up here. So this can be something that you upload. So maybe if this project is for an event that you went to, maybe you're going to upload a photo from your computer from that event. But what's kind of cool about this is you can actually search right here to find some Adobe stock footage that you can plug right in. So let's just type in the word music, see if we find something cool that we like. Ooh, I love this one. I just click it, and then it just pops up right there. If you decide you don't like it for some reason, you can always change it. And then it tells you, it just kind of walks you through what to do next. Scroll to start writing your story. Another plus sign, bunch of different things that you can do. For our purposes, you're probably going to be mainly using these first four. So photos, again, text is going to be the body of your work. I recommend working in a Word document just in case. I mean, this is constantly saving what you're doing, but once in a while, students report that, their computer had disconnected from the internet and then they lost their work because it didn't automatically save. So whether you work here or work in a Word doc is up to you, but it's just got typical text function things. You can make something a header to make it a little bit bigger. You can add a quotation, which will change the font a little bit to show that it's a quote. Bullets, numbers, if we get rid of the special stuff here, you can add bold, italics. This is a link. So if you wanted to hyperlink a word to something else, all that stuff is there. Other things that you can do are a button. So this would be if you wanted to add a specific button that linked out to another website. So maybe you're talking about a musical artist and you wanted to link to their website. This is how you could do that by making a button. So you would title the button something. Let's say you are researching, I don't know, Sam Smith, and you wanted to link it to Sam's website. So you would find Sam's website. You would just grab that URL, head on back, put it in there. You can align it however you want. I'm going to put it in the middle. Click save. There you go. When I click on that, then it'll go to Sam Smith. That won't happen until the page is published and it's ready to go. Video, this is pretty cool. So if you took videos at your event, this is where you can add them from a separate source. It's not going to let you upload a big file, but if you put your video on YouTube, this is where you can host it. You also can actually upload videos to Adobe Express, and that's something that you can just, if you just Google how to do it, you can figure out how to do that. But YouTube's the easiest way to go, even if it's just a video of your featured artist that you didn't actually take yourself, but you wanted to include it. This is where you would do that. Same thing, you would just go to YouTube. All right, we're sticking with Sam Smith for some reason. There you go. Grab the link, and on back. Whoops, our website. Pop it in, save, and it shows up right there in your Adobe Spark page. These little plus signs, if you want to add things in between, these are just basically fancy ways to do things. So split layout would be like an image on one side and text on the other. You can play around with this. Once you're done with your website, and this is important, you can, preview, by the way. So if we wanted to make sure that link really worked for Sam Smith, that's in preview mode. Oh, look at that. It works. Huzzah. Okay, so once you're totally done, exit to get out of the preview mode. To let other people see it, this is essential. You have to click share and you have to click publish and share link. If you do not do that, I can't grade it because I can't see it. So once you click publish and share link, you can title it, you can put in your name, which is going to do automatically from whatever your Gmail account was. You can toggle that on or off. What's kind of neat is that if you use any photos from them, it automatically puts in the credits, which is nice. This get noticed thing, you can toggle on or off. This says basically you're giving them permission to have it featured on the website. I don't want to do that. I'm going to turn that off. And then when I create the link, it gives you some strange quote before it gives you the link. What you can do then, just copy this link. That's the link you're going to take over to Canvas and you're going to post it as your submission. All right, so that's all you need to do. It really is a pretty simple way to make a website. I think it's much easier than Wix and some of the other things. If you have it all written in a Word doc, putting everything together in here could take you less than 15 minutes. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Otherwise, that is your brief tutorial, and happy web page making.